guys, this is Mickey Harrison and I love a gymnast. And I love a gymnast and I just want to become a gymnast, but I'm really know what I'm doing if I do that. Because I know that like that, but I don't know how to do backflip, handstand, and if you do like uh, someone, I'm gonna perform it that way, and you're gonna see what I'm just know of the gymnastics. And this is Mickey Harfin, and I was the first doing gymnastics in the school. And my classmate want to do a split, and she just wanted. So everything I do, she know. That's why Sir Joseph is a volleyball player, and I want to say him of the Monday. Sir, do you have a gymnastic? Do you have a gymnast here? And if she say, yep, yep, and I'm gonna say my classmate, of the grade one, we have a two grade one know how to do a gymnast. So I'm gonna do that, but first I'm gonna finish this eating. One part. I just want to do lessons first before. And you can see me now, but not really. It's breaking my heart. Marami. Dami dyan. Let us do that. I'm gonna show you how to do split. Okay, so you're up and you're gonna down. So because you can split. I'm split now. I can do like that and do split. Look, 1, 2, 3, go. There's a puppy get. You see that? You think so very good and do. You see, it's so pretty. You didn't hear it. Why not? I really want to show this. This is the very hard move. And I can really, and my classmates don't know, she just know. I will do like that in the body. I really sad of that. I could not do it. So oh, that's good. And I have a pretty picture. I am do like that in my. I have a picture. And you know, I can do this, the trending. You know, the trending dance. We can do that really. I just think that. I didn't know that. But I'm going to show you what in which really want to move. I'm gonna show you in the sala because I'm gonna lead. First, so I just do this. You see, it's so straight. I know to do this. You see that? I see so straight. And I can really do this. So we're gonna go anywhere, but I really want to show you the last one I do. But I'm just gonna show you my foot first. I do like it. I do like it. I just think that my I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna do again because I really didn't know that. I'm gonna do again. I really didn't do it. So very good. I do so very good. Every day after school, I do gymnastics to see for everyone, to say everyone love me because I do that. So, ang nasa utak ko sa school, sa Monday, pupuntahan ko sa Sir Joe at sasabihin na, Sir, meron ba ang gymnastics dito? So, siyempre, baka meron. Baka meron. Naalala ko yan dun sa Manila eh. So, sinabi ko yan dun, baka meron. So, sabi ni Papa na, ano baka? Gusto mo ng baka? Kakainis, hindi nyo naiintindihan. Sabi ko, guys, meron nga pala akong raluan na lunch bag. Dalawang yellow. Tsaka meron din akong green. Kunin ko muna yung takip niya, guys. Nawala ang takip niya. Yung takip niya. Ano na put everything. So let's get outside. Before that, I'm gonna say so that my classmates really wants to be. I love everyone except of me because she knows I know how to do split, and the children they don't know how to do. I have a tree there. This is her. No. Okay. There's the puppet. I have two of them. And my classmate gave a one. And I put in kitchen at one. And the lilac and I put chicken. My classmates know how to do. And I'm the only one who know to do. I'm the only one do that. Those instructions. Two. That's it.
Saranggola.
No, dito.
Saranggola. Hello guys! So, hindi ko po alam ginagawa ni Jajay, pero tutulungan ko po siya. Tatabangan na gani kaya mo, no? So, tatanong ko po siya.
Hindi mo tingog. Takulo, bakit diri oh?
Ano di sunod na?
Maka naon na niya.
Di sunod na?
Kaong gamit niya, hindi makaayong sarado.
Okay.
Open sesame.
Natong gilubo. Para ginamalay.
Jan, tawa. Uy, tagay.
Ew. Oh, abot dahil ulo, no? Ay.
Ang na ka mo ala. Dira ay.
Ay.
Oh, lato.
Kung nagkalisod naman ka, Jay?
Ang galisod.
Yeah. Wow. Alisod na.
Kani ako balo ka ane. Balo ka ane ah.
Hangin, oh. Ano ka, Jay? Hangin ba? Ew! Dapat ingani man na. Baga. Bakit kayo na?
Uy, naay grade 1 ka balo mo split. Duha ka buk balin ko.
Dito, Diyos Maynila, katungkuan.
Paku alang Manila nimo.
May bata ba, grade 1, among ginahype. Kay mo split, kay mo, kuan man siya mo cartwheel niya.
Saan cartwheel?
Ano eh.
Ay, kato.
Sige nga na niya, o sa kabalon si tawag. Sige nga na niya. Namukuan man siya.
Dali ako doon.
Mas-split man siya pagkabalik. Dindot lagi kayo yan. Yung ginalamba na yung lubot. Takit kayo siguro.
Ako sa spinal, sige naglamba. Dito naman ako ilamba ko. Muhulong ram akong split ako.
So, talaga na. Weak! Gawa, tagka.
Ano ni mao dyan? Pagwagon tayo dito sa si Leogra. Kaon naman ka. guys, siligaon. And this now, put that. I'm gonna take a pink flowers. This is pink flowers. It's a big pink flower. This is a I really take all of them, but I choose